Hey guys, and welcome back to Fun with Ru. There's a big good news. That is, Adopt Me has brought a new scary house into the game. So now all us builders in Adopt Me can build. So I've already bought the scary house, but I just wanted to rejoin to show you all how it looks in the profile. So over here, there's a new scary house and there is new furniture as well. So let's just go right into the house. So guys, basically over here, this is the scary house, and I think it costs for 1,800 bucks. So yeah, it costs 1,800 bucks, which is 200 bucks less than the Luna home and same as the container home. And like any other house, we can also change the color of this house. So basically not the wood, but these red things you can see right now, the lights. So we can change it to pink, but red looks really creepy and scary on this. And basically this is like the one in the mini game area, Halloween mini games. And yeah, so the structure behind is common, and over here there are 3 stories. So let's just go into the house. So now we are in the house. So once we enter, we see this, and oh, this even this bathtub type thing. So this is the cauldron portion, like we add the ingredients and get a portion. Over here we have the stay out sign. Oh, this dragon. So Adopt Me showed many, you can like change the color of this dragon to many things. So black, white, all look good basically. So let's go in this room now. So over here there's like this big table and chair. Okay, and over here there's this bed. Oh, that's only for babies. Now over here, if we come behind, we get this like a basement or dungeon type thing. So we go downstairs, and there are 3 rooms. The main room, this room, which is mostly empty, and this room. So basically we can build like a secret basement or cells down here. This is a super cool, room which Adopt Me has brought into the game. So now let's go upstairs. So basically we enter on the 2nd story actually, but mostly this is the 1st story and that is the basement. Now we go 1 story up, that is the 2nd floor. So over here we have the refrigerator, then this pet spiderweb crib I think, and all these things. Ooh, this looks like a heater or something. Well, I really want to see what it's called in the the bills. So, and this is a bed for parents. So this is a really cool bed, I guess. So over here I think we can do glitch bills, but I think let's just keep this house to spookify. So now I'm gonna just place all the furniture. So if you go new, here's all the furniture. So there's a lot of furniture, so I'm just going to place all of it and show it to you guys. Okay guys, and I'm finally done placing all the things. So now let's just go through all of them one by one. So first, this is the short portion mushroom. This is the squat portion mushroom. I think this will be the tall portion mushroom. Yes. Now this is like the metal hanging chain. Let's just see the names over here. So next, this, which I focused on, that's the metal hanging chains. This is the stone pedestal table. Over here, if we come, these are scattered skulls, the stone throne. Now there are 2 signs, which is the wooden stay out sign with skull and the wooden stay out sign with raven. Basically, the first one, which is for 80 bucks, that one you can place on the wall. You can place it on the floor too, but it looks better on the wall. And this one is with a stand. So next is the pumpkin pet food bowl. Then is the pumpkin pet water bowl. This is a stone tomb table. Then let's see what this is called. This is the grave pet bed, cage crib, and this is the scary branch mounted lantern. So basically I think this has to hang from the wall because it looks really weird on the floor. Next, this is a spiderweb table. Then we come to the, wait, I forgot to add the stone dining table. So this is the stone dining table. Then this is like the coffin fridge. If we go to the next room, this is a scary wall mounted lantern, scary pillar mounted lantern. So this is not like a boiler or something, it's a toxic waste shower. Then this is a stone human pillar, and last but my favorite is the stone dragon statue. So we can like change the color to whatever we want. So guys, I'm definitely going to be doing some awesome builds over here, and the fact that the eco house is smaller to this and costs Robux is like really confusing, because this comes with so much equipment to build that people who like don't have that much money can just use the things which are given, because almost all of the Halloween spooky house new things have been used over here. So I'll be building this house after the Halloween update goes, because well, there are only 6 more days left for it to go. That is less than a week, and I really want to collect on these things, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, like, share, and comment down below what is your favorite spooky house furniture, guys. Bye guys. But one more thing, I think the timing of this house might be a little wrong, because most of the people have already thought for their Christmas bills and are grinding for Halloween candy. So maybe if they had put it like before Halloween, it could have been ready by Halloween, and then we could have used these as a house. So like instead of me wasting the money on making the platform for the glitch build, I could have just built in this house. So I feel the timing might be wrong, but it's a really good house, and I'll definitely be doing a superb gingerbread home Christmas build. So turn on bell notifications so you can get notified whenever I post a video of my gingerbread home Christmas build. And bye guys.